once you lose a demon, do everything you can never to get it back. If it means change of character, go ahead and change your character. If it means change of friends, you have to change your friends. When a demon comes out of your life, one thing which is very important that you need to know is what the demon used to feed on. Know what that demon used to feed on. Because demons are feeding on something that you keep on doing, that you keep on saying. Demons, they feed on places that you normally visit, movies that you normally watch, conversations that are not godly, wrong connections. So when you lose a demon, no, the demon was surviving on something. And what is that something? Find out what that thing is. And by stopping certain behaviors, you have actually starved that demon to death. He, the God we serve, Jesus, taught us that when a demon comes out of a man, it goes to dry places. And when it finds no rest in those dry places, it comes back. The places are dry, right? What does that signify? He's not talking about geographical places which has weather problems or natural deserts. No. The place is dry according to the demon's demands. There is no food there. There is no water there. So the demon cannot feed on anything there. So it always comes back to somebody who feeds it every day with a certain behavior, certain attitude, certain character, certain statements. So the demon comes back, it says, this place is too dry for me. Not because there is no water, there is no. There is nothing to feed on. Because demons, these are eating creatures. They eat, they feed on something. If you starve them, they go away. So it's very, very easy for you now to lose that demon. But once it has gone out, identify places, identify its favorite food, and make those places a desert. So you cut those trees down, cover the rivers, so there's no more water, there's no more food supply in that area. So when a demon now finally comes back to that place, it will not stay, because there is no peace for that demon, there is no food. So don't have a demon again in your life. Yes.